Good evening traders, welcome to 200forexpips.com. I am here with the final analysis of 18th of February 2020. So guys, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then do subscribe it, and also do not forget to press the notification button so that you can keep on getting the forex trading analysis from my side. So guys, today I am going to give you the review about the signal service that I provide to the subscribers early in the morning before the London session. So guys, this is about the signal service. So EURJPY with a bearish expectation from my side from 118830 and 117765 is the target price. And guys, you can see that Euro USD has went down as per the prediction that I have provided in my signals report. Right from the entry, the market started to make the bearish pattern, and we have a successful day with EURJPY. At next, we are going to talk about New Zealand USD. So overall, a bit slow day on New Zealand USD. However, my signal was bearish from 064077 and 063661 is the target price. And guys, if you look at the signal, the New Zealand USD has already dropped from that level. If I take you towards the daily chart, then you can see that the market is pumping down on the daily candle. So overall, if you look at the pattern, then New Zealand USD is under a bearish trend. Okay guys, now let's talk about AUDJPY. Okay guys, I have done some sort of scalping because overall it's a slow pair, just got the one single big candle. So AUDJPY with a bullish expectation from my side from 73467 and 73710 is the target price. The target price is already you can see it's already set up on the chart. So if it continue the bullish pattern like this, then it can go further up. Otherwise 50 pips is the stop loss in case if the trade goes against you. Okay, now let's talk about Great Britain Pound USD. Okay, let me take you towards the signals report first. So Great Britain Pound USD with a bullish expectation from 130071 and 130491 is the target price. And guys, you can clearly see that Great Britain Pound USD hit the target price with no problem. Right from the entry, it has started to make the upward pattern, and then it hit the target price with no problem. So overall, I congratulate all those traders who have taken the buy positions on this pair. They must have ended up with profits. A losing trade on Great Britain Pound JPY, and let's talk about the USD Canadian dollar, which is the another satisfied signal of the day. That's USD Canadian dollar with a bullish trend from 132517 and 132689 was the target price. And guys, you can see a strong bullish pattern on the chart, and the market exactly hit the target price with no problem. So I congratulate all those traders who have taken the buy positions today on USD Canadian dollar. They must have ended up with very good profits. Okay guys, for the newcomers who are just new to the trading channel, let me explain about the trading system. Whenever you see that the market is into the top red boundary and it's losing the momentum, then you can sell the pair. And whenever you see that the market is into the lower red boundary and it's gaining the momentum, then you can buy the pair. And guys, this is how we use the trading system. If you use the buy signal from the scalper in the form of white arrow, then the time to buy, and if it indicates the red arrow, then it's the time to sell, but you need to keep it checked with the top red boundaries. Okay guys, this is all about the trading system. So guys, if you're willing to subscribe to my daily forex signal service, if you want to get the expert advisor, if you are looking to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, or guys, if you want to learn that how I come to know in the morning that your USD Canadian dollar is bullish or bearish, whatever. So I teach this trick for $700, and I take 3 days Skype coaching for the client, and he prepares signals with me for 3 days, and after that you will be able to generate your own signals. So guys, if you are interested in any of the service, for all this you need to send your inquiries on info@200forexpips.com. Please do like my video, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share this analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.